na na. Na na na. Me climb high where the wind them blow. Truth me know above the cloud. Me spirit free, Jah carry me. Me look on valley, low and wide, no fear inside. Every step me take, Jah show how fi grow. Me start me journey, rough and raw, but me keep Jah law. Storm come down, rain beat hard, still me guard. Me hold me faith tight like stone, never alone. Mountain of strength me trod, guided by God. Them mock me part, them laugh me way, still me pray. Each fall teach me rise, Jah make me wise. No man can shake me will, me climb still. Every scar tell me name, fire flame. Mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. Me reach the top, me look below, river flow, me give thanks for the fight me face. Grace in place, no easy road for righteous man, still me plan. Me rise from struggle deep, no sleep. Them who doubt me, no can see, just set me free. Me shout me praise in a breeze, me find me peace. No pride, no boast me show, me let Jah glow. Mountain strong beneath me feet, victory sweet. When me weak, Jah lift me soul, make me whole. Me find power in the climb, sacred time. Mountain spirit call me home, me never roam. Mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. Mountain of strength, rise again, wash me pain. Mountain of strength, Jah unreal, me heal. So when the valley low me see, me remember me destiny. Mountain of strength remain, forever reign.
Aye, aye, aye. Me hear the wine sing clear. Freedom near. Oh boy. Drum beat echo through town. Chains fall down. Oh I. Me lift me voice for the cause. No pass, song of freedom loud and high. Reach the sky, me band fi chant truth loud. No bow to crowd, me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long, me call out Babylon lie. Till it die, freedom song me melody. Set we free, them try silence me sound. Still rebound, me spirit like fire blaze. Through the haze, no fear me carry no shame. John name, me chant down wicked pride. Side by side, song of freedom pay Me hear the people start to sing, voices ring, unity spread through the street. Heartbeat, song of freedom touch the soul. Make we all, me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them hand, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye. No more cry, freedom, rhythm no stop. Tap to tap, Jah tune the key of peace. Sweet release, me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise, open eyes. Song of freedom loud and near, me persevere. Song of freedom, yeah, again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure, and I never die. Song of freedom, carry on till night dawn. Song of freedom, strong and true. Bless me and you. Sing from soul, freedom tune forever play till judgment day.
Na na na. No na. Me stand pan corner, drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave, I spirit fly. Rasta nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah the truth. Me and you, from Kingston straight to Accra town. We all live down from hills of Ethiopia high. Bless Jah sky, Rasta people one vibration, true nation. Nobody divide with soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta nation rise, open eyes. Rasta nation strong and free. Jah family. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry torch up. Fire never tire, Rasta nation build again. From pen, me see the queen wrap her crown. No back down, king and empress hand in hand. Across the land, we chant for justice true. For me and you, Rasta nation lead the way. New day, no division, no hate. Rasta create, from Africa to world. Flag unfurled, Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Rasta nation strong and free. Jah family lead. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta nation chant the psalm, keep calm. So when the world lose direction, Rasta connection, one love foundation firm, Jah confirm. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart. Sacred art, no pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt, truth come out. Me see the darkness fade, hope made. Jah light glow pure and still, by will. Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Me teach you youth to see Jah energy, no diamond, no gold compare. Jah care, me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pon humble floor. Want no more, Jah light reflecting eye, never die. Me live me truth, me chant, elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name, me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn every turn. Aye, 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 aye. Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun, another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face, Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow, a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart, freedom heart. Me see the people stand again, after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak, give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry, echo through the sky. Me trod the road, them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Oh, fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. What Jah melody? Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand, just in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. Redemption, me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform, me walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long, fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high, freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul upon higher ground, peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Na ganja, yeah. It's medicine, yeah, man. Me feel the wind upon my face. Jah love fill every space. The sunrise bright, the sky so clear. Every heart can feel him near. Me see the people wake and smile. Walk the righteous, walk the mile. Them bring the joy, them bring the light. Shine for every heart tonight. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. Carry blessing, never cease. Every hand join, every voice sing. Roots vibration, everlasting. Me hear the drums, me hear the bass. Rhythm move the whole place. Me plant the seed, me water deep. Jah protection always keep. From the city to the hill so high, Jah light shine from the sky. Me chant for unity, me chant for right. Guide the youth through the night, yeah. Jah vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Jah power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. Me see the elders teach the youth. Share the story, share the truth. Every corner, every street. Righteous rhythm never be. Me chant for you, me chant for right. Lift the people through the night. Children laugh, the sun shine bright. Blessings flow through the light. Every heartbeat like the drum. Unity for all become. Me see the world rise as one. Jah work for all is done. Me walk the path, me see the way. Jah love guide every day. No chain can hold, no fear can bind. Blessings free for all mankind, yeah. Jah vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Jah power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. So when the night seem dark and long, remember Jah in the song. One love, one heart, one flame. Together we rise, never the same.